Hello guys, so I have developed this library management system and I wanted to demonstrate it to you how it works. So basically I have this application running in the terminal and the web server is working. So this library management system has two type of accounts. So there is like the staff account and there is like a common user account. So let me just show it to you first as a common user. So I will just log in as a common user to this library management system. So okay, so yeah, I have logged in and you see it mentions that the username, and I can like browse all the books that are available in the library. So these you can see are all the books, and we have like pagination as well. So yeah, I can like browse as I can view the authors and what books each author has like published, and then I can see the details of that books. Okay, and also I can see if the how many copies of that book are currently available uh, in the catalog of the library management system. So and what are their statuses, so it is available. So yeah, because I am a common user, I can like request this copy of the book. So you can see here I can check that the details are okay, and then I can just confirm this. So it notifies me that my request has been submitted into the library management system, and then when staff logs into the system, he can like approve my request, and then I can like proceed further. So yeah, I can like go back to home, and yeah, so I can like okay, so I can like log out right now, and then I will like log in as a staff account. So let's say that this is my staff account, and we can see that okay, so you notice that there are some more like links into the navigation bar over here, because this is like a staff account. This badge over here, it notifies us that this is a staff account. So a staff member can do much more actions on the website than a common user. So for example, he can also like browse all the books that are in the catalog. He can also like view authors and their details and etc. And then also like he can like create stuff. So for example, if he clicks on this, he can like create authors, like add author to the library catalog, database, create book, create a book copy. For example, let me just check out the create book first. So you see this is a staff member, so he can like define what is the name of the book. If there is an author, you can like add it over here, any summary, ISBN, or all the like the information related to the book, and he can like submit it. So this is like a staff member, so he has like a lot more going on for him. And he also like he can like create copies of that book, and for example, he can select a book from here, and then he can like mention due date, like when is the expected due back date, and who is going to borrow this book, and yeah, also the status of the book and submit. So yeah, he can like do many things, the staff member. And a staff member also has this book requests. So these are all the this if he goes to this link, he will view the request that some user of this system has made for books. So as you can see, he has the staff user has navigated to this link, and there is currently one request for a book whose title is calculus. So let's just check it out. And so you see it mentions that who is requesting the book. So it is going to be Ali, the user is Ali, and it does not mention the due date. And so yeah, the staff user, he can like set a date over here, like when is going to be when Ali is going to like is expected to return this book. So like he can just say that okay, so Ali is going to return this book on the 1st of the June 2025, and like approve this over here. So when like Ali logs in again and checks out his borrowed books, so he will be notified that yes, the admin or the staff has approved his request. So let's go back and log in as Ali, and we can see that okay, so yeah, so you see it says the password did not match. So you see our system, there is like authentication at work, so we are like authenticating the user. Okay, so okay, so now Ali has logged in again, and if Ali goes to this books I borrowed link, he will see that the calculus book that he requested has been issued to him for until June 1, 2025. So you see that the system is working, and so yeah, this is like the library management system that I developed. And if you need like such systems for your, if you like wants to create some systems for your like apps, and you can contact me and I can share my details with you. Thank you very much. So I forgot to mention that this website is actually mobile responsive, so you can see that it looks very good on smartphones and mobile devices as well. I can see that, so you can see that there's a sidebar over here and I can like navigate, so like it looks good on mobile devices as well. And thank you very much. And